Cryptic Unknown.
What up, YouTube? Today, it's like, I don't know what time it is, but, I'm going to the beach tomorrow at a little bit of time. So, yeah, I'm going to the beach. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing while I'm there. So, yeah, let me go ahead, transition. Alright, we're packing up right now, and you see, we're packing up, we're getting ready to go.
You're going to the beach.
I'm so freaking dark right now. Just wait till we get inside the car, hold on. This is the freaking Gulf of Mexico. Look at all that stuff down there. Bro! I didn't even know this was the Gulf of... Oh, look at that cloud right there. Look, you see that? We're on a bridge right now. Look, we're on a bridge. We're gonna go down. Everybody put your hands up. And then, you see all that stuff down there? We finna have so much freaking fun. I swear to God. If this day wasn't real, I'm throwing myself off a bridge. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm saying. That's just all I'm saying.
13 minutes to where we got to be, but I have to hit the store first.
So we're out of the pool. We went to the beach, and now we're just.
We had breakfast.
Yeah.
We had lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, if y'all want y'all slime looking at right now, we're not going to eat again until after this last thing we're going to do.
Oh, are we going to the arcade?
I don't know if we're going to have time to do the arcade, dude. Y'all did not want to get out of the pool. I'm glad that you enjoyed it, but that did mess with some other time. It's something else I have to do.
Well, I'm just glad that we're going to. Huh? Hey, we out here. Hey, oh, might work. Woo! We out here in the beach. We out here in the boat, Annie. We in the boat. We in the boat. It's the bridge. The bridge. Yeah, that's where we came in from. Woo! Look how cool this is, Anna. You like this? This is literally the best day ever. We're on a boat. I didn't whistle.
Sorry, y'all, please. Put your phones away. Listen. When they dock the boat, Anna, listen up. When they dock the boat, okay, we gotta try to fit through the crowd to get out. It's gonna be a walk to get back to where we started, okay? So I hope y'all sit down, rest yourself. We're not gonna be in a rush, but we do have to walk all the way back, okay? You can stop recording that.
I'm in here. So guys, I'm taking a dump, right? In here in the ship, just taking a dump, you know, random stuff, right? Taking a dump. People knocking at my door. See that I'm in the bathroom, but yeah, let's go ahead and go home real quick. So
Name of the boat? Boogies.
So guys, we are back from where we were at. I showed you guys we were doing a boat trip and stuff. We had a lot of fun, and now it's time to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I'll see you guys next time. Until next time, peace out.